In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a recurring invoice template and send it. We'll walk through the full process together so your invoices can go out automatically, on time, and with the right details every single cycle. Start by opening your billing area and click on Invoice on the left side. This is your home base for everything related to billing. From here, look for recurring templates and click it. Recurring templates let you create a standardized invoice that will send on a schedule you control, which is a great way to cut down on repetitive work. Next, click on New Recurring Template. This opens a fresh template that you can customize. Right away, you can add a logo to keep your branding consistent and professional. A clear, high-resolution logo helps clients recognize your invoices quickly. Then select a client. Make sure you choose the correct client profile so the billing details, currency, and any saved preferences line up with the invoice you're creating. Now add a line item. You can add as many lines as you need. Use clear descriptions, specify quantities, and include accurate pricing so there's no confusion. If your system supports it, include any taxes or discounts that apply. Consistency here saves you from back and forth emails later. On the right side, you can customize your invoice style. Adjust the layout, color, or any visible fields so the document looks clean and aligned with your brand. Small tweaks, like a readable font size and clear section headers, can make your invoice easier to understand at a glance. You can also add a recurring schedule, set the frequency, such as weekly, monthly, or quarterly, choose a start date, and specify when the invoice should generate. If available, set an end date or leave it open-ended for ongoing services. Right below that, you can set reminders. Automated reminders before or after the due date can reduce late payments and save you time. Once you've finished editing, click Save. This captures your template, your schedule, and your design settings. After saving, type the email you want to use to send the invoice to your client. Double check for accuracy to ensure delivery, then click Save again to confirm. That's it. You now have a polished recurring invoice template that will send on schedule with your branding, line items, and reminders all set. If you ever need to update pricing or terms, just come back to this template, make your changes, and save.